Ugh. My bedroom is such a mess right now. Look at my desk. Even here. Yeah, I should probably clean everything up one day. Yeah. I don't want to. I really don't want to. I don't know if you guys saw my last video that I posted a week ago, last Friday, but this video was a trailer to next week's video, and this video is going to be a big one, my trip to the mountains I took with my dad a few weeks ago. You better stay tuned for this one because I really think it's going to be the best video of my YouTube channel. It's going to be awesome, it's going to be beautiful, so if you're not subscribed, well, do it now. Anyway, because I'm working a lot on this video, I don't really have the time to work on other projects, but because I don't really have a lot of content for today and this week, this video is pretty empty. But to fill it up, because I don't want to post a fully empty video, I will still do one interesting thing today. So you might know that I play guitar, I really like playing guitar, and you also probably know that I like traveling. But sometimes you don't really have a lot of space in the car to bring like a guitar when you are going on holidays. So that's why today with my dad we are going to go to the guitar shop to buy a tiny guitar. Anyway, let's go! That's the guitar we got. The brand of the guitar is Macawao. That guitar is called Macawao, and that's a ukulele series guitar. So yeah, that's the guitar we got. So yes, I guess the video is now over because we got the guitar. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this really quick video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and to share the video. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Actually, I will see you guys next week for my big video about the mountains, my big documentary, so don't forget to stay tuned for that. Anyway, see you guys! What you are about to see has nothing to do with what you just saw. What's up everybody? This video is probably going to be the worst video of my YouTube channel. Yes, because I'm with my friend Nicolas, which you already saw in one of my videos. Ça fait plaisir. Another friend of mine, here, Alexander. And today what we are going to do is pastas. Just simply pastas.
Les carottes sont prêtes.
Alors, t'as-tu occupé de manger des carottes?
J'ai plus sur les carottes.
Es-tu censé les manger, pas les couper? C'est l'inverse, tu es censé les couper, pas les manger, c'est pas correct pantoute. Fight!